Hello friends, welcome back. This time of the year, the weather is so lovely, isn't it? Very pleasant. This is the time to enjoy soups. So here is the recipe of a very healthy soup you are going to enjoy. Have you ever combined fruits and vegetables together in a soup? So you must try this one. I'm making a soup with apple and beetroot. Both are healthy ingredients that we must consume every day in our diets. So let's make a soup with apple and beetroot. Sounds good, isn't it? And the best part is there's no cream added to it. We are going to add coconut milk, which makes it lighter and healthier. Ingredients for beetroot and apple soup: 1 apple, 1 beetroot, coconut milk 4 to 5 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic, 2 tablespoons onion, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, salt as needed. For tempering, half teaspoon of mustard seeds and few curry leaves, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil makes it healthy. If you want, you can use butter also instead. So let's start the soup. Heat up 1 tablespoon of oil in a pressure cooker. When the oil is hot, dip in the ginger and garlic. Saute them a bit so that they give out the aroma. Once this is done, add the onion. Stir fry for half a minute or so until the color gets light pink. This is the way it should be. Do not make it brown. Now add the beetroot and apple chunks. You don't have to peel them, as we are going to strain the soup because all the nutrition lies in the skin. Saute them for a minute or so. Now we are going to add water. Add 3 cups of water. You can also cook it in a pan alternately, but that takes a little longer time and you have to add 1 more cup. Now season it with salt and allow it to boil first. Once it starts boiling, then you can close the lid. Now it's come to a boil and we are closing the pressure cooker. Cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. Pressure cooker is done very fast. When you cook it in a pan, it takes quite some time. You have to simmer it for a long time. Apple gets cooked faster, but beetroot takes a long time to cook. Now this is done. Open the cooker only after some time when the pressure drops down by itself. Don't open it immediately. Now we'll allow it to cool and then blend it. You can do it directly in the pressure cooker using a hand blender. This is much easier. Such a vibrant color, isn't it? This is very healthy soup. Now we will strain it so that we'll have a nice and smooth texture. Transfer the soup into a pan. Allow it to boil. Once it comes to a boil, we'll add the salt and coconut milk. Check for the salt. We have already added little, but I think we need to add little more. It's always better to add less and then adjust it later. Boil the soup first, and when you get the right consistency that you require, only then you will add the coconut milk, because we are not supposed to cook much after adding that. Add about 4 to 5 tablespoons. If you want, you can add little more. Add little black pepper. Some you can save for garnishing. Now just keep stirring while it is boiling. Just 1 or 2 boils, that's it. Look at the lovely colors. It looks so inviting. Now is the tempering part. Keep a small pan. Add the remaining oil, 1 tablespoon. Now you can entirely skip this part. If you don't like tempering, you can skip it. But this really enhances the soup, some different flavor it gives. Add the mustard seeds to the oil once it is hot. When they crackle, add the curry leaves. It's a simple tempering, just mustard seeds and curry leaves, that's it. Add it to the soup. Stir and just give 1 boil after that. I'm sure you're going to love this vibrant and healthy soup. It's ready to be served. This portion serves 2. You can relish it with some garlic bread or cheese toast. Friends, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and also click on the bell icon to get notifications. Here are some more videos. You might like watching them. So, have a nice day. See you soon with more recipes.